Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Oh, we got an unboxing and an unbagging. So let's get out of here. Let me get my everyday carry out here. So yeah, gonna have some interesting stuff here. Some stuff for pleasure and some stuff for health. So there we go. All right, so in the box here we had a bunch of packing, and we have a smaller box in the big box, so we can get rid of that one. And this, I need the out again. I got the inner box taped up. There we go. So, got a 4-pack in here of, let's see what these look like. Wow, these look smaller than the other ones. Not too sure about this. But no, okay, it's got a big base on it. Big base, small top on it. So we got some incandescent, real incandescent bulbs here. These are 100 watters. And yes, I know, 100 watt. Why do you need 100 watt for? Well, for some of the rooms around here, they're big enough that a couple of 60s aren't going to cut it. And so I need to put 100 watts in there. And so I got 4 of these to test. Like tomorrow should be delivered. Tomorrow evening should be delivered a 2-pack of light fixtures to replace some of the ancient light fixtures in here, which are starting to fail. I'm getting flickering lights, and I mess with it. It's not the light, or I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but I'm getting rid of several of the light fixtures in here because they're flickering. And so I'll be replacing those. And the new fixtures say 100 watt max on them, not like some of these other fixtures in here which say 60 watt or 75 watt max for the individual bulbs. But even with the 60 watters that were in the bulbs here when we came into the house, I mean, the rooms were dark, and that's why we went with the 100 watt equivalent LEDs. Well, got like 4 of those 100 watt LEDs that have burned out in the last 4.5 years. So, yeah, not exactly a confidence builder in the lights. And those LEDs are the ones they sell at Home Depot. The FEIT or something like that. Let me get into this one here. I got one of my favorite movies. John Wayne, Dean Martin, and Ricky Nelson. And who's the other actor in it? The old Walter Brennan. And yeah, and there's some good singing in this with Ricky Nelson and then Dean Martin. So $4. What can I say? It was a killer deal on Amazon. $4. So I got it. All right. So stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. And start planning your garden.